Hello traders everywhere, Jeremy Lutz coming to you from the digital studios of Market Club. And as you can see from my portfolio here, overall stocks are steady ahead of the Fed announcement coming this afternoon. We're barring any surprise. It's widely expected that the Fed will announce that they're going to raise rates by about 25 basis points today, making this the 8th time it has tightened policy and raised rates since 2015. We'll go ahead and take a look, and we'll start with the S&P 500. Currently trading at 2,922.28 with a chart analysis score of plus 100, up about 0.2% this morning. And our key level remains 2,864.12. A move below that level would issue a red weekly trade triangle, indicating a move to a sidelines position for the S&P 500. Dow Jones currently trading at 26,543.64. Up about almost 0.2% on the day with a chart analysis score plus 85, indicating that overall the long-term trend is still up for the Dow, just coming under some recent weakness on a daily level as we had a couple down days, issuing a red daily trade triangle yesterday. Key level remains 25,754.32. A move below that level would issue a red weekly trade triangle, indicating a move to a sidelines position for the Dow Jones. NASDAQ currently trading above 8,000 at 8,031.81, up about 0.3% on the day. Much like the Dow with a chart analysis score plus 85, indicating that overall the long-term trend is up, just coming under some recent weakness with the issuance of that red daily trade triangle a couple days ago. Our key level to watch remains 7,873.93. A move below that level would issue a red weekly trade triangle, indicating a move to a sidelines position for the NASDAQ. Dollar index, I'm seeing a little bit of a comeback today, currently up almost 0.2%, with trading at 93.86. Currently, chart analysis score still negative 55, so we have a mixed picture sidelines position for the dollar index. However, we did have a green daily trade triangle issued yesterday at 93.95. Our key level to watch remains 95.28. A move above that level would issue a green weekly trade triangle, indicating a move back to a long position for the US dollar. Crude oil coming under a little bit of pressure today, trading at 71.70, down about 0.7%. However, the chart analysis score remains plus 90, indicating that overall the long-term trend is still up for crude oil. Recent weakness after hitting nearly 4-year highs the last couple of days is just the fact that the Iranian sanctions by the U.S. are going to be starting November 4th, and the pending loss of Iranian supply of oil into the market is really the major factor for prices dropping a little bit. And many analysts believe that I pointed out earlier on Monday that it's going to be tough for the U.S. to make up that amount of oil that's going to be taken out of the market and could push crude oil prices higher. Our key level to watch is 71.14. A move below that level would issue a red daily trade triangle, indicating a move to a short-term sidelines position for crude oil. Take a look at gold, currently down on the day right now, about 0.5% with a chart analysis score negative 100, trading at 1,198.40. Our key level to watch should be 1,208.80. A move above that level would issue a green daily trade triangle, indicating a move to a sidelines position on the short-term time frame. But overall, the long-term trend is down and continues to be strong, looking for a breakout to the lower side. And we'll take a look at Bitcoin. Right now, the Bitcoin CME real-time index is up about 1.6% on the day, currently trading around that $6,500 level. Currently, chart analysis scores negative 70, indicating that overall the long-term trend is down, just coming under some short-term weakness before heading lower. Key level to watch would be 7,403.53. A move above that level would issue a green weekly trade triangle, indicating a move to a sidelines position for crude oil. With that, every success. Have a great trading day. Tune in at 2 p.m. to see what Fed Chair Jerome Powell says about the interest rates. And I'll be back at the end of the week to wrap up the market.